Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have b plus b plus b is equals to b multiplied by b multiplied by b, and we solve this problem for all the values of b. So here we move toward the solution of this problem. You see that in the left hand side b is added by 3 times, and also you see here these are the three like terms. So when we take common b from here, we get the remaining values are 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to, here you see that the exponent of all these three values is 1. So according to the exponential law, we, if bases are same, then we add its exponents, so it will be written as b to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1. And here in the left hand side we have b times of 1 plus 1 plus 1 becomes 3 is equals to, in this side we have b to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1 is also equals to 3. And further in the next step we move the term 3b from left hand side to the right hand side, and we will obtain b cubed minus 3b, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and here you see that from both of these two values we have b be the common term. When we take common b from here, we get the remaining values are b square minus 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write b is equals to 0, and the second case is we write b square minus 3 is equals to 0. So this is the first root of the given equation, and from here we move minus 3 to the right hand side, and we get b square is equals to plus 3. And now here our target is to find the values of b. So for this we will apply square root on both of the sides of this term. So when we apply square root, it will be written as in this form. And here you see that this 2 and this square root are gone, and we obtain b is equals to, and in the right hand side we have this is square root of 3. Further you see here, because we apply a square root on both of the sides, so that's why we write here plus minus sign on any one of the side. So these are the other two complex root, these are the other two distinct roots of the given equation. So finally we have, there are three roots of the given equation: b equals to 0, and b equals to plus minus square root of 3. And now in the next steps we need to verify that is these roots be the solution, or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is: b plus b plus b is equals to b multiplied by b multiplied by b. And in this side we will be verify b is equals to plus square root of 3, and in this side we will be verify b is equals to minus square root of 3. So first we verify b is equals to plus square root of 3, so we substitute b is equals to plus square root of 3 on both of the sides of the given equation, and it will be written as in this form. So when you put this value here, it will becomes square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3 is equals to, here in the right hand side we have b is multiplied by 3 times. This means that square root of 3 is multiplied by 3 times. And further in the next step we have here square root of 3 is added by 3 times, so we write it as 3 times of square root of 3. And here this square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 is written as square root of 3 and its whole square, and it is multiplied by square root of 3. So this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here 3 times of square root of 3. So you see that both of the sides are equal, and if both of the sides are equal, this means that the value b is equal to square root of 3 is satisfied our given question statement. And now in the same pattern we verify the second value of b. So we put b equals to minus square root of 3 on both of the sides, and it will be written as minus square root of 3 minus square root of 3 minus square root of 3 is equals to, in when we put it into the right hand side, it will becomes minus square root of 3 multiplied by minus square root of 3 multiplied by minus square root of 3. So here you see that minus square root of 3 is added by 3 times. So we write it as minus 3 times of square root of 3 is equals to, here again you see that these two values are multiplied by each other, and we write it as minus square root of 3 and its whole square, and it is multiplied by minus square root of 3. So we have, this is minus 3 times of square root of 3 is equals to, here you see that the square of negative term becomes positive, and the square of 3 becomes the square of square root of 3 becomes here 3 only, and this negative sign becomes minus 3 times of square root of 3. So again you see that both of the sides are equal. It means that the second value of b is also satisfied our given question statement. And now we move towards our third value of b, and our third value of b is equals to 0. So we substitute b equals to 0 on both of the sides of the given question. So our given question is written as 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals to 0 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 0. So here you clearly see that 0 equals to 0. So this means that the third value of b is also satisfied our given question statement. And finally we have the solution set of this problem is plus minus square root of 3 into 0. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.